going on today, guys? D Creator here, back with another video for the 6 Fox. Now I know in my last video when I was doing the spoiler for the 6 Fox, I told myself that I was going to change up the wheels or something like that. Well, to be honest, I don't have the money to buy new wheels, so we're gonna do the next best thing, and that's plastic dip. And yes, I'm doing plastic dip because they're Mach 1 wheels and I don't want to permanently paint them, just in case I do want to sell them. I can peel them right back off and I wouldn't have to worry about anything like that damaging or anything like that, because I mean, these are still, you know, the factory Mach 1 wheels. Actually, the back wheels, I think they are the replicas. I want to get them ready for the car show, so I'm gonna go ahead and plastic dip them. I'm not plastic dipping them black, that's just a base coat. So I want to plastic dip them a nice color. And while we doing that, I'm also gonna change the color of the brake caliper, because that red is just, I mean, look at it. It's just terrible. Actually, I think I have one that's worse. Let me see. That one's not even red, it's brown. I had a gift card to AutoZone, so I just went ahead and bought $50 worth of spray paint. But it'd be alright, because this is going to be a totally different car wheel wise when I get done with it today. Now at the end of the month, hopefully I'll get it done completely, because I just found out that stupid code, you know what, it's on the, it's either the 20th or the 19th or something like, I don't know, it's around there. So it's like the middle of the month, and it's on a Saturday and a Sunday, so they're having a 2-day event. I work Saturday, so I'll be going Sunday, but I will be there. Today we kind of been on a time crunch, so let's go ahead and ignore all that. That's just some fluid that spilled, and my car is still leaking, so yeah, but just ignore that. We're gonna go ahead and get to it, because I'm excited to see how this gonna turns out. First things first, break the lug nuts loose. I already did that. We're gonna jack up the car in its right jacking points. Then we're gonna put jack stands and take the wheels off. So let's go ahead and do that.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
I'm gonna take off all 4 of the other wheels, put them all on jack stands safely. But yeah, I'm gonna get the wheels, go ahead, clean them, prep them up the way I need to prep them up. For instance, tape off the valve stem and put index cards around here, take out the center cap. Then I'm gonna end up painting them. Put the first base coat on there. Gonna put 2 coats of that, and then I'm gonna put 2 coats of the color. But yeah, first things first, I need to go ahead and just clean this wheel up, because it's dusty. It had wheel weights on it. I had to get it rebalanced at work, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna clean those up. But in the meantime, I'm gonna paint these wheels. While it's drying, I'm gonna paint the brake calipers. So I gotta prep the brake calipers, also clean them up real good and whatnot, and those should be good. So this should be fun.
It's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Alright guys, so basically I did the index card method, where you get the index card and go all the way around the rim. Since I am not painting them black, you know, I don't want overspray of the color on the tire. Yes, I can get the tire removal spray thing, but I wanted to do this today and I didn't feel like waiting for it, so the index card will work. Yeah. Oh, and also I went to AutoZone with my card. Thank you, Mom, for the card, by the way. Went to AutoZone to get the spray paint for the car, and you know, I was looking for the spray paint in the spray paint aisle, and I see this can of tire spray, like tire spray paint. Now I know some of y'all probably thinking, oh, it's for the letters, you know, so you can spray paint white. No, this is black. So I'm just like, someone comment down below and explain to me that, because I mean, ain't the tires already black? I know there's some white wall, but why would you pay to have white wall when? And then it was pillable. That's what didn't make sense to me. It was black tire spray paint that was pillable. Just clean the tire. I don't know. Whatever. Let's go ahead and get started on this though, because I'm really excited to see how it gonna turn out. 2 coats of the black on each wheel, and then 2 coats of the color. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, I just got done putting on the second coat. It's about like, I want to say 85% covered now. They're starting to look cool, but that's not the color I'm going for. And while the paint was drying, I went ahead and took off the brake calipers. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get a wire brush and wire it all. Not wire, but you know, finna clean all this up, cause it's pretty bad. Yeah. And this one is not painted at all, but it's just rusty. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, now that we got it all prepped up and ready to paint, we go ahead and put basically the primer down for this. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, I know that completely changed the color of it, but like literally I barely did anything to it and this is how it came out. So I don't know, there's a lot at one time, but I guess we just gonna have to see. But yeah, that's the top coat, that's not the actual coat. So let's just see. Alright guys, I put the final coat on to the wheels and the brake caliper, and I gotta say they look good, but we're running a little late because I gotta go to my sister's basketball game, so I'll be right back. I'm rushing, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'll be right back and we're gonna finish it up, okay?
I know who I'm dealing with.
And this is my sister.
Look at that!
Did you get yourself? And your mama said,
Hey!
How you doing?
What happened?
she ate chips.
Yeah, I think I've never seen my child excited except for that. She was so excited.
She guessed it before anybody. They were talking and he was like, how did she know? I didn't tell her.
guys, I am back at the house. We kind of stayed and talked, got together and all that crap. So it's 12 o'clock and now I'm about to put, I'm about to put everything back together because I need to clear this out so I can put my cars in my other cars in the garage. So yeah. Alright guys, it is Christmas Day. I was editing the video and I completely forgot that I did not record a outro. So here's the outro. But as you can see, the Foxbody is in rough shape. And the reason why is because we are about to go through this entire car and change it up. So like I said, totally different car when we get done with it. And guys, whether you love it or hate it, I am putting fender flares on here. I feel like it'll be a nice touch to what I'm doing with this car. And I have also found this piece. I'm waiting for the passenger side, so hopefully I'll get that in just in time for paint. I finally got the new edge dash in here. I just need to go to the junkyard and get a double din radio for that, but it's not the best, but hey, it'll fit, it'll work. More videos coming to that. But yeah, I know I said I wasn't gonna do the interior, and just like I said, Christmas, I still got my birthday tomorrow, so like I said, this car is going to be completely transformed by January. Hopefully I get it done before it's super cold. But until then, subscribe to follow along with this build. You do not want to miss it. I still got to put the spoiler on here, but I'm finna do some body work on it and get it ready for paint. Hopefully I'll get the passenger side bumper extension, so I'll be able to do that. But until then, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification, follow along with the build. We gonna do something with this Fox. I'll see you in the next video.